Have you ever wondered about the world of exotic orchids? These captivating plants, with their stunning variety and distinctive traits, offer a world of intrigue and beauty. From delicate petals to vibrant hues, each species is a marvel. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of these unique blooms. Caring for exotic orchids may seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge, it becomes a rewarding experience. These fascinating plants need 4 essential elements to flourish: light, temperature, water, and humidity. Light provides the energy for growth, while the right temperature sets the pace. Water quenches their thirst, and humidity creates the perfect atmosphere. Each factor contributes uniquely to the orchid's health, helping them bloom into their stunning forms. Remember, balance is key when it comes to these factors. Now let's break down the process of orchid care and cultivation into simple, manageable steps. Step 1. Select the right orchid. There's a vast array of orchid species out there, each with unique care requirements. Some orchids, like the moth orchid, are more forgiving and perfect for beginners. Step 2. Water properly. Orchids generally need less water than you might think. Water them once a week and let them dry out between waterings. Step 3. Provide the right light. Most orchids thrive in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can burn the leaves. Step 4. Maintain the right temperature and humidity. Orchids prefer temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels between 50 and 70%. Finally, Step 5. Repot when necessary. Orchids typically need to be repotted every 2 years or so to ensure they have fresh medium and room to grow. With patience and consistency, you'll see your orchid flourish in no time. Caring for exotic orchids is a journey filled with learning and joy. Remember, understanding their basic needs and following our step-by-step guide is key. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy gardening!